Deep inside an old scrapyard, we found a forgotten classic car. Rust had covered every inch, the engine was seized, and most people believed it could never run again. But today, we begin an incredible full restoration. The first inspection reveals severe rust damage, missing parts, and years of neglect. Before rebuilding begins, every single part must be removed carefully. Old wheels are removed after decades of sitting still. The seized engine is finally ready to come out. Years of dirt and grease hide the true condition of the chassis. Every damaged bolt and bracket is removed one by one. Now the car becomes nothing more than a bare metal shell. The restoration officially begins with rust removal. Every damaged panel is marked for repair. The frame is checked to ensure it can be saved. After a full day of work, the project is finally ready for rebuilding. Car body inspection. After removing all damaged parts, the restoration team carefully inspects the chassis and body for hidden rust and structural damage. Every crack, weak point, and corroded section is identified before repairs begin. Rust cutting. Every rusted panel is carefully cut away. Removing all corrosion ensures the new metal will be strong, durable, and ready for decades of service. Welding new panels. Fresh steel panels are precisely welded into place. Each weld restores the original strength and shape of this classic American muscle car. Chassis straightening. The damaged chassis is slowly pulled back to factory specifications using professional hydraulic frame equipment. Precision is the key to a perfect restoration. Grinding welds. Every weld is carefully ground smooth, creating seamless body lines and preparing the surface for future bodywork and paint. Suspension removal. The old suspension system has reached the end of its life. Every worn component is removed to make room for a complete performance upgrade. New suspension installation. Heavy-duty suspension components are installed one by one, improving stability, comfort, handling, and overall driving safety. Engine disassembly. The legendary American 5.8 engine is completely disassembled. Every component is inspected to determine what can be restored and what must be replaced. Cleaning engine. Each engine component is thoroughly cleaned to remove years of oil, carbon buildup, and dirt before detailed inspection and assembly. Installing new pistons. Brand new pistons and piston rings are carefully installed, restoring proper compression and preparing the engine for reliable performance. Crankshaft assembly. The polished crankshaft is fitted with new precision bearings. Every bolt is torqued to factory specifications for maximum reliability. Cylinder head assembly. Rebuilt cylinder heads, fresh valves, and new gaskets complete the upper section of the engine. The powerful V8 is coming back to life. The engine rebuild is now almost complete. We'll install this fully restored V8 back into the car, complete the paintwork, fit the interior, finish the final assembly, and take this legendary classic on its very first test drive after restoration. USA. After weeks of rebuilding, the fully restored V8 engine is carefully lowered into the chassis and secured in place. Every bolt is tightened to factory specifications, bringing the heart of this classic muscle car back where it belongs. Every wire, hose, fuel line, and cooling pipe is connected with precision. Careful attention to detail ensures maximum reliability, safety, and long-lasting performance. The moment everyone has been waiting for has finally arrived. The key is turned, the engine cranks, and with a powerful roar, the legendary V8 comes back to life for the very first time.